Tamale Sparta freedom still uncertain because of this very one reason specifically. We are going to talk about it when we come back.
Rich badness, so we lock city. Just get a new Glock from Top City. Eel crooks brawling, thugs them not pity. So we y'all boss gun without pity. With no teeth, she got finger no sticky. So we fire shot enough like peas when they picky. Next step, Margello with just sip.
Welcome people, welcome. I hope everybody alright, everybody okay. Now before we jump into this video, we have to talk about the specific artist and also this music video. You see my people. So before we proceed, give this video a like and also ensure that you subscribe. Now click the bell icon to turn on your post notification. Watch out.
Next step, Margello with just sipping. Yellow job just get wet Mississippi. Anything and do say me and my bro sip it. Catch me on a jet ski chilling in Dubai. John Wick suit with a John Wick tie.
My people, you see that? This video here we just watch entitled Lock City by King Breezy. Now, viewers and subscribers, when we talk about talent, and we say talent now, we not a compound platform come talk about no foolishness and no rubbish. No, when you see what going on in the music video there, you see the creativity behind the music video, the art, and not to mention what the man is saying at the song, complement everything in the music video, the style, the flow. Yo, viewers, subscribers, King Breezy, you know, easy, you know, let's make them get wet like Mississippi. Yo, this here artist here is a talented artist. You see, it's just unfair most time not all the talented artists get the highlight and it take rather more time than some. No, this artist here have a whole heap of potential and we see it. We see that it's a talent and we can't deny that. We have some more song by him, you know, King Breezy. You see, but this one here specifically with the video, it just show me how creative some artists is that are not getting the highlight they should be getting. Viewers, subscribers, want to listen the lyrics of your song here, name Lock City. Me, I go personally pin the name of the song along with the video in the comment section below and also the social media of this artist here, King Breezy, because want to see for yourself say yo, the man have talent. Viewers, subscribers, me not tell no foolishness. Want to make artists know say me standing over there. You see it? So what you know, we are gonna move on. King Breezy, big up yourself. You're a good artist. Viewers, subscribers, Tamale Sparta freedom is uncertain. You see it? And we're gonna talk about it now. We're gonna talk as to why it is this case. And we might believe say the police will have him in custody for some longer time until they get what they want. Now, we saw Dexter that being held recently by the police, right? Now, his freedom just came just days before his lockup, right? So him lock up the Monday and about the weekend him get free, if my calculation correct, right? No, look at this now, viewer subscribers. Tamale and the other one, you know, has remained behind bars for over 2 weeks now. Is it? And we still not hear what really are going on. Only thing we hear is that they're still doing some investigation, right? We can remember the police superintendent has noted that Tamale is being held as a person of interest for questioning. That may lead to, I think, some information the police think is necessary to move on to some, I don't know what I'm talking about, but that's what they say. Now, look at this now. We see a whole heap of thing going in a flanker right now. We see criminals get locked up. We see up to about 6 members of the Up Top Sparta gang held in police custody and 3 have already been charged. Now, am I saying Tamale Sparta is... No, he's not. And me personally believe so yo, him not cooperate with the police then. Hence the reason why he's still in lockup. Right? Them need a crucial information from him and him refuse to talk. Because that is the only way them can have him behind bars this long. If he is not cooperating. No, despite of we seeing other person from the gang in remand or in custody, which that is what the police are putting out in the public. We are not sure that these persons are a part of the gang. They said Tamale is allegedly off. Viewer subscribers, make sure not stay with me now. Right now, we know how the justice system go. If it's whether in Montego Bay or in Kingston or anywhere in Jamaica, once you're wanted for a questioning, you know the questioning something go. They might ask you a mirage of question and they expect you to provide them information with all of those questions. Now, this can actually be caused by if it's a case where these same lawmen are tracking you for quite some time or if they're monitoring for quite some time, which means they're going to have questions to probe you with. It's just for you to provide them with the right answers. Thus, me saying Tamale is not cooperating with the police because they must search for a specific answer or some specific answers from him which him still refuse or is reluctant in providing them. Now it can be a case where he doesn't know these information that they're asking him, but them believe say him know based on the intel them get from them source. You see it? So all of this is causing is the reason as to why Tommy Lee is still behind bars, because them still can't get enough information from Tommy Lee. And again, them do a next thing, which is actually mind game, or these are the psychological effect of it. They paint the narrative as if Tommy Lee Sparta is providing them with information, which could lead, which had led to the attain or the detain of 6 gang members, which they said were a part of Up Top Sparta. Now, them will make it look like say a Tommy Lee provide them with that information. No, I'm not swearing for anyone saying that Tommy Lee did not and he didn't, but it can also be a case where he did not provide any information, but because of how powerful the system is and anything them put in the media, they dictate who it reach and how the narrative is bring across. People might think say, yo, Tommy Lee Sparta a sellout. Now this can also make persons who are close to him start flip things where really and truly no need for being at the public. You get me? I say so. Right now we see where Tommy Lee Sparta is in a hole where the only way he can come out is unless he's cooperating with the police, and that are exactly what they want him to do. And we also see where he's being affected mentally. You see it? Because remember, they not have a charge against him. He's in custody. They're not charging him yet. The only thing them can say is that they're still questioning him for some things that is going on in Flanker. Now let's imagine somebody keep on trick you with an eagle for your talk about something you don't know. You get me? I say, and them actually put it out in the media to make it look like say you're the bad person or you're the cause of a lot of things outside. This can be frustrating. This can also contribute to your mental health and how you stay mentally. You get me? Understand? We've seen where Tommy Lee Sparta lawyer came out there and said that, yo, he had to rush to the hospital the other day because he was vomiting and he was not feeling well. And we see the man even cry behind bars, which persons are saying Tommy Lee always a cry. You get me? I say, but yo, one thing is when trouble take you and you can't do nothing, the most you can do as a man is cry. And every man cry. You just not see when a man cry. It's just that Tommy Lee Sparta is not afraid to cry in the public. Right? You see, so he's under a whole heap of pressure right now. And we can tell you for sure, if he wasn't behind bars, he would have actually been in the lineup on Reggae Sunfest Night 1. Remember I did a video earlier saying that this is causing him revenue. He not have time for making the music. He probably have unfinished videos that need to be shoot and put out there. You see, he have ties with other producers and directors which he cannot fulfill because of the same reason. I can't tell you the amount of money he must give back for projects that are still unfinished due to the fact that he's behind bars. Some of you are subscribers more looking at this thing here and say what me talk makes sense or add up. This is the reason why them have him behind custody for quite this long time. This is actually now is going to his 4th week, almost a month now since he has been locked up. And this is not unusual. Remember, people, he's wanted for questioning. Now, the most we've seen where somebody is been held or withheld in custody for a questioning is like 2 weeks maximum. We saw where Alkan was in custody for some ongoing investigation. It only took him like about 2 to 3 days to be released. You get me? I say we even saw where Quada was wanted for something that happened in St. Thomas. He was freed within 3 days maximum. So this now I show you say you're watching out, something is wrong. Something is wrong on Tommy Lee's end between him and what is going on while he's behind bars. He's not cooperating. He's not providing the police with the answers they are looking for. And it can also be a case where he don't have the answer to these questions. You see, but the police will not take this for no. But not saying he will not be freed, people. He might be free because he have to be free. That is right. If him not know, him just not know. You get me? I say, but because of how the system work, and they can use excuse to say that hey, because of the state of emergency, we're gonna withhold him, or we're gonna hold him for quite some time until state of emergency is freed up in Montego Bay. That's what they did when he was held in Kingston a few years ago. So we know how the system works. So there again you have it. His freedom is still uncertain, and it probably gonna take some time before we see Tamale Sparta come out, unless him cooperate and provide the police them with the answers they are looking for. Again, me ask the viewers and subscribers, want to hear your opinion on this. Want to agree with me or disagree? Why and disagree? Want to believe say yo Tamale Sparta is being held because he's not cooperating with the feds? Comment in the comment section below. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Until next time, I'm out.